Hey, K-Flan.
Hey, Waf, what are we up to today?
Today we're going to nerd out with one of the most important laws in all of statistics and data science called the law of large numbers.
Ooh, tell me more.
So law of large numbers says that as we simulate more and more trials, the average of the trials will tend towards the expected value. So this idea of the average tending towards expected value is a key idea of why we can actually do simulation. So there's a few different terms here that I want to dive into. So the first term is something we're going to describe later in this course more elegantly. But I just want to have a bit of an overview of what's an expected value, Carly.
Ooh, yeah, so the expected value is essentially going to be, if we were thinking about rolling a dice, or if we were thinking about rolling 2 dice, it is the outcome that we're expected to get. It actually might even be easier to think of this in terms of coins, because flipping a coin, if we're flipping a coin 100 times, our expected value would be 50. So that's the value that has the highest probability of occurring.
So the expected value is the outcome that we are expected to get. So if we do this many times, we're expected to get some expected value.
Yep.
I love this idea of flipping a coin. And you said 100 flips we'd get 50.
Our expected value would be 50. If we roll 2 dice, our expected value would be 7 because there's 36 possible outcomes, and the outcome 7 is the one that occurs the most. There's the most ways to get a combination of 7.
So what this law of large numbers is telling us is that the average of more and more trials will tend towards that expected value. So if we do a simulation of flipping 100 coins, so if I want to flip 100 coins, the very first time we flip 100 coins, the average we might get 43 heads or something, which is not 50, and we got a little unlucky. We got more tails than heads.
Yeah.
And then the second time we do it, we might get the value of 58, which we got extremely lucky, and we got a lot of heads. Mm-hmm. But what's going to happen is the results will swing up and down around the average. But if we then end up taking the average of many runs, so after 1 run, we may have just the value 43. After 2 runs, we got extremely high values, so the average shot up. But then as we go to 100 runs, or 1,000 runs, or 10,000 runs, what the law of large numbers tells us is as we extend this to more and more trials of simulation, that this value should approach what is the expected value. So here, if we do the simulation, we should expect it to approach, we get 50 heads.
50, yep, exactly.
So what we'll see is in the notebook, we'll dive into doing this simulation ourselves in Python, but this general idea is true across all statistics, all simulations, no matter how simple or complex the simulation, that the average of the trials will always tend towards the expected value.
And that is the law of large numbers.